Bye.
Hey y'all, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I said that backwards, but whenever you are watching this, hey, what's good? It is currently 8:35 and I'm just doing some last final touches on this video that I have going up today, which is my skincare fridge tour. By the time you guys see this video, you guys probably would have seen that video already. If not, make sure you check that video out. So I'm just making sure that my description is up to date. Make sure that I have my ads, my end screen, all that stuff on there. And I have it scheduled going up at 1 p.m. today. So I guess I'm going to take you guys like behind the scene of like a small YouTuber or just a YouTuber in general. Let me flip the camera for you guys. So this is the video that I have going up. I'm making sure that my description is good. Make sure my cards, they're there. Making sure I have an end screen, which I do. And then I have it scheduled for today. So let me check and see if I have any ads on this video. So that part wasn't shown, but I do have ads on that video. So since this video is good to go, ready for upload, I'm going to check out my vlogs prior to this vlog that you guys are seeing right now. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 up so far, and none of them have a description. None of them have have end screens, has ads, has the little iCards. None of them have that. So I need to add that to all of those videos and also schedule them for upload because October is in, let's see, 1, 2, 3 is in 3 days. I'm currently recording this video on September 28th, which is a Monday. And October 1st is on a Thursday. So I need to schedule those videos, get everything ready, prepared, so they can be scheduled to upload whenever those days come. But yeah. So I guess I'm just about to, I need to look at the camera. I guess I'm about to do that right now. I also have a bowl of oatmeal that I'll be eating. This is the strawberries and cream flavor, and that's still hot, so I need to wait for that to cool down. So yeah, and I'm sitting on the floor because this room is empty. Like I said in my prior videos, I am in the process of moving, so yeah, I just got my laptop propped up on my son's box of wipes, and that's just how I'm working right now. Gotta do what I gotta do. Get it how I get it, you know? Period. All right, y'all, so I just got a notification that my phone is about to die. It's currently on 20%. Ooh, this look a hot mess. But I'm gonna finish the rest of this off camera and come back. So these are currently the videos that I have to finish, like editing pretty much. But I just finished doing this one. All I need to do is just add a description. And I have it scheduled to upload already, so I just need to do it for the rest of these 3 here. And by the time this video goes up, you guys would have already seen those vlogs. If not, definitely go check them out. But as you all know, I do edit and record on my phone. So when I upload the video to my laptop, I just just update the video, such as adding a description, scheduling it for upload, adding my ads, my end screens, my iCards. Oh yeah, also, I'll add my thumbnail on there as well. But as you all saw, those thumbnails were already uploaded on there. So that's something that's already checked off. So like I said, I'm gonna finish doing these videos. It does take a while because you have to watch the video, and if I mention any videos, I can add like a card there, like, you know, those little pop-out things that you guys be seeing on my videos whenever I mention a video. So yeah, I have to listen to the video, watch the video, make sure I add that video that I mentioned in that video. But if I didn't mention the video, I'll just put like a video that's kind of like pertaining to this video or just something random. So yeah, let me get to it and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so I just finished editing my videos. Well, not really much editing, but like just adding like the final touches on them. I just want to go over something, like if you're a small YouTuber. So I just finished adding excuse me. So I just finished adding tags to my video. This helps you, this helps your video gets like, I cannot speak. This helps your video get discovered more. So I just added like NAII TV, daily vlogs, weekly vlogs, day in my life, Vlogtober, since it's happening during Vlogtober, my channel name, and I just put like a lot of stuff like what I'll be doing in this video, so my channel can get discovered even more. For the tags, if you're having a hard time coming up with tags for your videos, you should download the TubeBuddy app. They have a free version and they also have a version where you can pay for. I use the free version, and they have like a tag explorer, so like you could type like a certain word inside that search bar and it'll bring up like a few tags that you can use for your videos to help get your channel discovered. So definitely check out TubeBuddy if you don't have that app downloaded already. So that is a good tip if you are a smaller YouTuber and you want to get your videos out there. Make sure you're adding tags to your videos so your videos can get discovered even more. Yeah, so it is currently 10:42 and I added tags, I added my end screens, I added my cards, I added my ads, what else, my description, and I think that was it that I all had to do. Well, oh, and I also scheduled my videos so they can go up for upload, and I think that was it. So yeah, I am done with that. I finished my breakfast, which was my oatmeal, and yeah, so I'm just gonna wait until 1 o'clock so my video can go up for today, which is my skincare fridge tour video. So that video can go up, and so I can promote it on all of my social media platforms. That's another tip if you are a smaller YouTuber, to make sure that you are promoting your videos whenever you can. Try to promote it like every day, because nobody's going to promote your videos like you do. I mean, you have like friends and family who will promote your videos as well, but nobody's going to go hard for your channel as much as you do. So yeah, that's something else that you can do. Promote it on all social media platforms. The more social media platforms that you have, the better to get your name out there, to be more successful. So that's all I got for right now. I'm gonna try to edit this vlog up to this point. And I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Hey y'all, so my new video, my skincare fridge tour video just went up like about an hour ago, and right now I am eating some lunch. Y'all, this is the best damn chicken sausage ever. I don't eat pork, so this is definitely a great substitute for eating sausage. So this is a chicken sausage. I don't remember the name of it, but I got it from Walmart. So if I could find this chicken sausage on the Walmart website, I'll definitely leave a picture of it so you guys can see what it looks like, so you can screenshot it in case you guys want to try it out. But I think it's mango habanero or something like that. But y'all, this chicken sausage is so freaking good, and I just topped it off with some mustard, and I'm also having some fries. So y'all, this is my plate. My fries, got a side of barbecue sauce for my fries, and I got my chicken sausage with my mustard on it, and I'm about to eat good. Period. Let me pause this. So y'all, I'm eating my lunch, and I got my little drink, my little great Kool-Aid. What was I about to say? Y'all, I've been binge watching Girlfriends on Netflix. What have y'all been binge watching on Netflix? Let me know, or any TV show that y'all been watching, binge watching, let me know. Cause I haven't seen this show since I was like younger, and this show here is hella funny. So, but yeah, I'm on season 1. Almost done with season 1. I think it's like 22 episodes in this one. I'm on episode number 14. And if you're watching Girlfriends on Netflix, what season and what episode are you on? Are you currently on? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's currently thundering right now, so it's about to pour down raining, and there's nothing else but for me to eat dinner and take a shower and all the other stuff. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. So if you made it this far, really? So if you made it this far and you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you all in the next vlog.